Hello and welcome. Today I want to share this HongBake baking pan set. We've had it for a few months now and have been using it. Amazon sent us this set so we could give it a try and make a video, and we did, and it's on their website. But this is just something we do. They send us stuff and we play. But this is really, really nice. We've used them for, like I said, several months. It's a 9-piece set. It comes with a jelly roll pan, a half sheet pan, and that comes with a cooling rack, 2 round cake pans, a 12-cup muffin pan, a roasting pan, and a 1.5-pound loaf pan, as well as a square cake pan. I mean, this is a big old set. And I can't say we've used everything, but what we have used, we're very happy with. It is non-stick. They say in their description that it's a toxic-free, it's BFOA-free, PTFE-free, BPA-free, and lead-free, providing a safe baking experience. I have no way of testing that, of course, but I can say they're non-stick, and we enjoy that part of it as well. They're very durable. They're not getting dented up or anything, and we're not too careful with stuff, but we're also not too hard on stuff. She's showing the thickness or the depth of that particular baking pan. There's a sheet pan. We love this set, and I'm making this video to share with you because I think you probably will too. As always, thank you for watching.